Howdy folks, it's Mama B and I got this really nice little treat for Toki. So we're going to see how he likes it. Oh, look at all that yummy goodness. More importantly, this is inspiring for making bird toys, isn't it? That was the first thing that crossed my mind. What an idea. It's got that entrance, that entrance, and that entrance for the birds that they can eat. Nice sturdy chain that can hang. So we're going to go put it in his cage and let's see how he likes it. Alrighty. Toki, come here, buddy. Come here. Everybody wants to see you. Well, this has made Toki very nervous. He's curious though. He has to stay in here with it. But I think it's going to take him a while to figure out what that is. So Toki initially looked at that log and stared at it all day from all different directions. But now you can see he's been pecking at it, playing with the bark, ripping it off. It looks like he's pecked at this just a little bit, but it has actually taken him a few days to not be really wary of it. What do you think, Toki? You like that? I have not yet seen him pick at it, but I just see evidence that he has. Every time I walk into the room, Toki runs to the side of the cage as fast as he can to meet me. So I've been unable to catch him at this little toy. But evidence says that it went over pretty well. He likes it. So I think it's inspiring and it's a quality toy. There he's pulled more of the bark off. And it's been about a week now since I put it in there, but he likes it. So we're going to give it a thumbs up on a good toy idea. And now some soggy bird for your entertainment. Well, I think this toy is a really great toy. I think that once Toki got used to it, it went over really well. So, thank you so much for watching our videos. And folks, have a fantastic day.